Aquarius, kamusta kayo? Thank you for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your new person or the person that you're currently dealing with o yung taong bumabalik sa inyo. Let's see what's happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Thank you, Aquarius. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies na nag-linger sa romantic situation ninyo or love situation, please. Aquarius. Okay. Alone. You feel like you are in this situation all by yourself, but it won't be like this forever. Okay? So for some of you, merong loneliness. Feeling nyo kayo lang yung nahihirapan. Wala kayong karamay. Aquarius. Para bang yung weight ng relationship o yung problema, ikaw lang nakakaramdam. That's how you feel. Devilish. Trouble follows them around tempting, addictive charm. Okay? Ingat sa mga temptations. Okay? Ingat sa mga taong may mga bad intentions sa inyo. Okay? Sina-charm kayo. Ingat, Aquarius. Teasing. Dangling partial truths, needing answers, shifting. Okay? Meron kayong gustong malaman. Okay? You need some answers. May mga naglilinger sa isip ninyo. Some truths about your person. Kung ano talaga yung intention nila. Okay? Let's see, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung messages from the tarot. You feel na nag-iisa ka lang sa situation, Aquarius. Let's see. Oops. Gusto lumabas. Okay. This is you. This is the person. Okay. You need fairness in your relationship. Okay. Okay, so bottom of the deck is the Queen of Swords. Someone is not expressing what he or she feels. Okay. He or she is a direct person. Ikaw ba to, Aquarius? You are thinking a lot. Okay. You have a lot of love. Or your person cares a lot about you, Aquarius, pero hindi mo lang maramdaman sa iyong person. Okay? You care a lot about your family. You're thinking about your kids, about how to provide them, about money, about the future. You want to be with them, Aquarius. Your person needs your attention and care at the same time. Okay. Merong hindi pagkakaintindihan and it needs balance. Okay? Kailangan pag-usapan kung ano yung problema. Okay? Gusto mo ng clarity from your person, kung anong nangyayari sa situation ninyo. Your person needs care about him or herself. Okay. Your person is a caring one, nurturing, malakas ang intuition, very sharp. Kahit malayo kayo, okay, he or she feels or knows what is going on. What's going on with you or sa relationship ninyo or sa family ninyo. Okay. The challenge is kailangan ng attention, kailangan ng kindness ng isa sa inyo kasi hindi yun nararamdaman ng isang person. Okay? Nakafocus kayo on material things or the relationship, nakafocus. Ang challenge is about material things or finances. Madaming inaasikaso, ang daming kailangan bigyan ng atensyon. Okay, financially. Someone needs to grow in his or her work or in his or her position. Okay. Yung katayuan niya sa buhay, nag-iisip ng mga paraan kung anong pwedeng gawin. Stop overthinking, Aquarius. Okay, you are thinking a lot. Thinking that something na problema, na may problema, okay, kahit wala. Ang daming gumugulo sa isip mo, marami kayong iniintindi. Okay, naguguluhan kayo, Aquarius, parang hindi panatag ang loob ninyo o yung isip ninyo. Walang pahinga, Aquarius. You need some time to rest, okay? Merong spying and stalking na nangyayari. Okay? But you know, you need, kahit na magkasama na kayo, Aquarius, ng person ninyo, or you are in a serious relationship already, or in a married na kayo, kailangan nyo pa rin magkaintindihan, okay? You're still learning each other, okay? Kailangan ng pagkakaintindihan kung ano yung side ng partner mo at may kailangan ka rin intindihin ng partner mo. Okay? Kailangan nyo ng clarity of thoughts, Aquarius. Okay? When it comes to finances, everything is provided, okay, for the family and all that. The only problem is that meron lang na someone na magulo yung isip or kung ano yung iniisip, parang negative or okay, para may kailangan klaruhin, okay? Kailangan ng justification. Yeah. Merong transformation, okay? Change of mindset ang kailangan. May mga choices kayo or decision na kailangang gawin, okay? May mga pinagpipilian kayo na mga options. You're thinking every situation, Aquarius. You are thinking a lot, okay? You are very focused sa mga plans ninyo or sa ginagawa ninyo, sa work ninyo or sa situation ninyo. You are too serious, okay? You need some fun, okay? Don't take life too seriously, Aquarius. You need to change some of your traits or personalities, mindset. You need to transform. You need to renew yourself, the way ka mag-isip. 7 of Cups, you have a lot of choices or options na pinag-iisipan. Do not procrastinate or do not waste time and consider things carefully. Okay? Kung may mga decision kayo na kailangan gawin, pag-isipan ng mabuti before you act. Page of Wands. Okay? May mga exciting things kayong naiisip or na gustong gawin. You are looking forward into something. Excited kayo sa isang bagay or sa isang sitwasyon. It may be sa work. Okay. Okay. Parang wala naman problema, but it's just that someone is just into his or her head too much. Madaming negative thoughts or iniisip. Okay? Na which is nagbibigay ng problem or nagkukos ng problema. Okay, Aquarius. Take time for yourself. Enjoy. Have fun. Okay? Wag masyadong seryoso. Laugh. Smile. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages for you, Aquarius. Your person is iniisip yung kapakanan ng family, okay? He or she is a nurturing one. And he or she is kailangan din ng time para sa sarili niya. Okay? Maybe someone is or he or she is attending too much of your family or mga obligasyon sa work and wala na siyang oras para sa sarili niya. Aquarius, more message please, Aquarius. New beginning, a new adventure awaits. Embrace it and live your dreams passionately. Okay? New adventure awaits. May nag-aantay sa inyo na or merong paparating na mga new activities. Okay? Soulmate. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. Okay? Yung person mo ngayon is already your soulmate. Or you will meet or know someone na magiging soulmate mo. Aquarius. Power. You instinctively know what is right for you and you have the power to say no or to walk away at any time. Okay? So, Aquarius, you have the power. Okay? Kung i-ignore mo yung isang sitwasyon to walk away from trouble, nasa sa inyo. Okay, Aquarius? So, that's it. Yun lang yung mga mensahe para sa inyo. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!